Test your English grammar. Present simple forms of to be: am, is, are. Can you score 10 points out of 10? Leave your score in the comment section. Let's get started. She is fantastic. She's fantastic. We are in Spain. We are in Spain. You are not my friend. You aren't my friend. Shayla is from Brighton. Shayla's from Brighton. The chairs are not expensive. The chairs aren't expensive. I'm not British. I'm not British. Clara is a good student. Clara's a good student. You are great. You are great. They are my friends. They are my friends. He is not angry. He isn't angry.